having the opportunity to provide a public art piece to this community in particular, but any community really, it's to give you wonder and it's to give you hope and wonder who made this and can I make something like that?
Our biggest hope is that the community takes it on their own, like it becomes part of, it's theirs ultimately. After we received the acceptance, we ended up brainstorming right away. This was for the neighborhood center, which services women, infants, and children's needs. So we wanted to have something that was familial, something that was creative and engaged the community visually, but also something that was strong, long-lasting, most likely steel or stainless steel.
I feel like actually, you know what? This is where that sledgehammer. Ho-ho! We're on, go ahead and drop it.
We had intended to not fabricate or install during the heat of the year, which is, June through August, essentially. And that's exactly when we fabricated and installed.
Could you imagine doing this project if we all didn't have a sense of humor?
I can't.
I couldn't do it.
I really can't imagine. Because
imagine
that was our golden ticket throughout it.
That was our greatest fear.
I think there was some part where it felt sacrificial, but it was also in service to a much larger vision and a much larger cause.
More. All right.
I think we were lucky to have our first public art piece be in the city of Austin. A, because it's Austin, it's a great city to have it in, and because of the program we have here too.
I feel incredibly blessed and privileged, specifically to be working with Austin, which is like one of the coolest cities in the world, worldwide. I mean, what more could you ask for?